That's just my Just Roll puff pastry. Coming in with a can of apple pie filling, and I'm just gonna use a knife here and kind of cut my apples into smaller pieces. I'm gonna use my ice cream scooper here to put some of my apple pie filling into each of my little slots here. We're making a super easy, yummy dessert today. Whoop. I think you guys are really gonna like this one. Super simple, a great appetizer to serve at a party, or kind of a fun thing to have at like a tea party if you're making lots of mini little desserts. I really like this one, and I think you all will like it too. Alrighty, I'm gonna set this aside and bring in a bowl here. Now I've just got some Philadelphia whipped cream cheese. I already used a little bit of this, but this is more than enough for what we're going to need today. This was a 12-ounce container, and I'd say I have about 8 ounces here. Alrighty, I've got my dark brown sugar. You can use light if you prefer. I'm just gonna mix in some of this to that cream cheese. So they have a new flavor of that Philadelphia cream cheese that is brown sugar and cinnamon. Speaking of, here's my cinnamon. But they did not have it available at my local grocery store. I went to 2 places and looked for it over the last week. I was at Walmart, didn't see it there. I was at Kroger, didn't see it there. So I figured I would just make my own because I thought it would just go perfectly with this really easy, simple little dessert. And I think this is gonna be a crowd pleaser, y'all. All right, bringing back in my puff pastry here. I'm just gonna use my smaller cookie scoop, and I'm gonna put just a little dollop of this on top of each thing of my apple pie filling. Now you could put this on the bottom, but I just thought like if it is on top and kind of melts down into these apples and everything, that would be super tasty. So I am very, very excited to try this, y'all. It's kind of a bunch of my favorite flavors. Apple cinnamon, a little bit of puff pastry, just yummy, yummy, yumminess all around. And look how simple this is. All right, the last step of this very simple plan, I am just using my pastry cutter here to cut down in between my muffin holes here in my muffin hole tin. And of course you can just use a regular knife, a pizza cutter, whatever you got, but I do really love this little pastry cutter, excuse me. I think it's just so convenient, and it's kind of nice to use it. It doesn't damage any of your pans, and that is a big plus for me. All right, we're just gonna fold these little guys in, starting over here. I'm making kind of a little dumpling shape. A sweet little dumpling, y'all. I'm just kind of pinching both ends in, literally dumpling shape, but you can do this kind of however you want. If you want to tuck one side in like that, you can always do that too. Whatever gets the job done, whatever you prefer. There's no wrong way to make an apple pie dumpling. Alrighty, we got these all folded up. All right, we're just gonna hit the top of our little dumplings here with some butter. You can add a little bit of cinnamon on this, an egg wash if you prefer. It's really up to you, but this is just such an easy, it would be 3 ingredients if I would have found that pre-whipped cream cheese with the brown sugar and cinnamon, but so I guess it was 5 ingredients. Honestly, I had everything at home all ready to make this. I had a puff pastry in my refrigerator, just that I kind of was toying around with different ideas. I had a can of apple pie filling, some cream cheese, and of course brown sugar and cinnamon. Alrighty guys, I am popping this in my oven at 425 for about 14 minutes. Alrighty y'all, it was about 15 minutes in the oven for these. I just got a little powdered sugar here, which I'm gonna come in and sprinkle on top, just to make it a little bit pretty. Gorgeous. Alrighty, I'm just got my mini spatula here. I might not even need it. And I've got a serving plate over here. I'm just gonna pop these out so they look absolutely adorable. Our miniature apple dumplings. Can't go wrong. Perfect. The only thing left to do is to try one. Pretty hot, but these are so delicious, y'all. You definitely gotta try this.